Hello students, I am your master, Mr.Shaikh.Mohammed.Zubair. Today we are going to study Chapter 4 in Geography, Climate. Let's learn about the climate of Brazil. Because of the vast latitudinal extent of Brazil, it experiences wide range of climatic variations in climate. For example, near equator, it is hot while temperate. Temperate means mild type of climate, which is found near the Tropic of Capricorn. Brazil gets rainfall from the southeast trade winds and the northeast trade winds. Parts of the Brazilian highlands extend up to the northern coast. The escarpments as an obstruction to the winds coming from the sea and cause orographic type of rainfall in the coastal region. Beyond the highlands, the effect of these winds get reduced. As a result, the rainfall is minimal. This region is a rain shadow region. This region is called drought quadrilateral. Considering the temperatures in Brazil, the northern part of Brazil is hot, while the temperatures in the southern part are comparatively lower. Seasonal variations are found in this pattern. Near the equator at Brazilian coast, temperature does not vary much. In the coastal regions near the equator in Brazil, differences in temperatures are negligible. The winds move in the vertical direction in this region. Similarly, the convergence zone of the trade winds is weak here. As a result, cyclones are not formed. That is why tropical cyclones rarely visit the coasts of Brazil. Most of the part of this country lies in the tropical zone. The equator passes through the northern part of the country. The temperature is more in this region. The average temperature in the Amazon Valley is 25 degree to 28 degrees Celsius. The climate is cooler in the highlands because of the proximity, that is, the nearness to the sea. The coast experiences mild and humid climate. Amazon Valley receives around 2000 millimeters of rainfall, while the northeastern coast receives 1000 to 1200 millimeters of rainfall. Now we will learn about the climate of India. India climate is monsoon type. The sun rays are perpendicular up to the Tropic of Cancer, which passes through the middle of the country. As a result, average temperatures are higher throughout the year. Also, temperatures increase towards the south. In winters, the temperatures drop to -4 degrees Celsius in Jammu and Kashmir and parts of mountainous regions of the Himalayas. The diversity in climatic conditions of India are due to the latitudinal location and altitude of the place. The Indian Ocean and the Himalayan ranges exert a great influence on the climate of India and the origin of monsoon. Very cold winds blowing from the north are obstructed by the Himalayas. Similarly, the southwest monsoons retreat from the Shivalik and Himachal ranges of the Himalayas because of high temperatures in summers. Low pressures areas develops in Punjab plains and the Thar desert of Rajasthan. This attracts wind coming from the high pressure region in the Indian Ocean, which start blowing towards the mainland of India. These moisture laden winds bring rainfall because of the obstruction caused by the eastern and western Ghats. It rains more in the coastal areas. The rainfall reduces in the leeward side of the hills. These winds blow parallel to the Aravalis. As a result, rainfall is low in parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Later, these winds move towards the Himalayas. Their moisture carrying capacity increases. Orographic type of rainfall occurs because of the natural obstruction of the Himalayas. These winds return from the Himalayan ranges and their retreating journey starts. While blowing from the northeast towards the Indian Ocean, these winds bring rainfall again to some parts of the peninsula. This is the retreating monsoon season in India. In general, the climate of India is hot throughout the year. As the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India, India is considered to be in the tropical region. India faces natural disasters like erratic rainfall, droughts, cyclones, floods, etc. frequently. There are 4 seasons as per the Indian Meteorological Department. Hot weather season, season of rainfall, that is the monsoon season, the season of retreating monsoon, and the cold weather season, that is the winter season. Children, this is a short exercise in a form of a homework which you are supposed to do in your geography long notebooks. Please see that you write your answers in your own words. Once the school begins, respective subject teachers will take the books for corrections. I hope by this presentation you have understood the lesson easily. Thank you, children, and God bless.